As busy women, we often do not have a lot of time, so when we get ready, we definitely don't have time to wait for our hair tools to heat up.
Usually I will style my hair with a straightener, but it takes forever to heat up in the morning.
I do, but it takes forever to do it.
Normally, I don't do my hair because I can't find time to style my hair.
It's very frustrating. It will just make me have to wake up earlier in the morning to prepare.
That's why I'm so excited to introduce Glam Palm, South Korea's #1 hair iron. With just one click and 20 seconds, it's ready to go.
Okay, so when do I know when it's ready?
Oh wow, this is really fast.
Oh wow, that's so cool!
Glam Palm is the only hair iron with a 3D swivel cord and a ball bearing system which helps to eliminate tangles and reduces wear and tear.
How long have I been here? Oh, wow, so it took me only 2 minutes to get my hair almost done.
That's so easy to do.
Oh, that's really fast. Okay, this is amazing.
No, this is really good compared to other straighteners. I've not felt this before.
Plus, it's made with mineral stone plates with natural antibacterial properties which help to make your hair smooth and easy to style. What's more, it comes with 11 temperatures ranging from 100 to 200 degrees Celsius, allowing you to fully control how much heat you want your hair to be exposed to consistently.
If I had this in my life, it would be a lot easier.
Oh, I really loved it because it's so easy to use.
It feels so smooth that it's not pulling my hair.
So now we can all have smooth, beautiful hair in the morning with time to spare.
I really feel that I got my hair done, like in salon.
Can I keep this?
I totally love it.
I really loved it. Yeah.